buraburu chene kiwasegeti kalikia kusi stadium asiri tukulero chinga kibono chigosori chialenga senseme chibono chirengete national chibono chiri cheskuru gati ye timu elia ya Musingi yakirenga kokosori yimekete na Scorpion na mone timu elia Kodera Bara kalenga na robot na naboni gotokumanya gubuna ni gosege chiatekane chiburaburu gwateka maiga ye timu elia ya Scorpion korokana gotwaro wesde kachemeronge tamne bernenye yakirobona bwatari nabo na abotyoterebe timu ya Kodera Bara bachaka chiburabura senseme na kwera omogose egosodi yukunyara gotene na asegeka asikondo muri yagosodi yabake gusuka mutwe na tokumanyigwa no muri kaitodi pona asanya Maigaje County ya Kisii kwa wali bagalia bene lyokwalingania chigosoli che secondary cha national zimeyense ya Kenya Chinga kiarengeri tukolia kabere ase chigosori echo imeyegeti kia Gusii stadium gati ye skuru ya Kodera Bara amune skuru ya Musingi nige buraburu ya enekiwa chinga ki skuru ya Kodera Bara yarolekana koengerwa neli ya Musingi Maigaye buraburu kotoerera yarolekana gwetane chitageka emerongene nigo chigosori echo cherana asegeti naende na gwakwa goika koera ekochi skuru ya bamura ya Musingi nigagi kelege korekyo asate banga ekero kwa bwirwe tulikoreta buraburu akorene nigo gwente gotegerera na kwibanga ase chigosori echo mwako kubwatia.
This comes because maybe a team is not well prepared. France don't play football. Yeah, hata sisi mimi nikishindwa I lost at the region last year. I said yes, it's next year it's there. So fans, particularly this region, at least 2 coaches died from Nyamira boys. I think they're taking it lightly, but it will get out of hand because fans don't play football. If a team loses, they cannot force because they wanted the match to stop so that the match is repeated or something happens. So it's a very bad thing. Football is to bring us together, to unite us. So when people start fighting and you get people are injured, it's a very bad sin and it should be condemned at the highest level.
Nonyana boni gate banga ogokora kwa bobuya no kubwaterana na gokora omokia ase chigosori chiabokera chingaki echichiro chiko bairera akabarabu koba ababui.
Want to thank God, nashukuru Mungu sana, game imekuwa ngumu. We wanted 9 points. It's important for you to be number 1 so that you meet number 2 of the other pool. So Mungu ametupea win despite the violence from the fans. They wanted with the home support, they wanted their team to win. But I want to thank the players. They played well. It was particularly our team this side, those who don't play. We wanted them to feel the nationals. But equally they are a good side. They have given us the results. Despite being a 1-0 win, we have 3 points. So we are topping the pool.
Nigo bari no gosemeria ko chikokora byase chigosori chitigarete echo bono chiko ba gosemeria ko chikokora byamono na kogenda East Africa.
We take each match at a time. We are not playing because of opponents or whom we are going to meet because team zote ziko nzuri hapa. I saw Kirangari is from Central but they're good. St. Joseph's are from all the teams are good. So sisi ni bidii yetu and I think our strategy works. Number 2, I think I've been at nationals. I've won at least 3 national trophies and 1 under 16. I understand the trends of nationals. We are not new here. Just that we are coming with a new team. Yeah, so I think I understand what should be done. The boys have experience. They know what to do. And we got the win. So niku thank to vijana pia. They have the pedigree of what it takes for them to get to the next level.
Kuruanse moya barokiwa boigo nigo bateba ngo kubwaterana no gwetuma kwabo nigo kugenderete ko ba matunda maya ankyo nankyo.
Mimi naitwa Austin Olwach na mimi ni ku appreciate two players wote wamejituma. Game za kwa hizi kwa venye tuko Chara amesema tunachukua each game at a time. Alafu target yetu ka team ni kufika East Africa. Hiyo tu. Kuripoteria gitaseni kia unambeya mokia Ndizi TV korua segeti kia Gusii stadium kegotokemeye county ya Kisii eletalia nenkoro kwa dipon asanya.